Going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with part 2 of the Bama versus Lund debate. Now, obviously, I have not ever worked with Lund, so I don't know their customer service. Excuse me. I just pretty much know what I have seen on YouTube, on the Facebook groups I'm on, racing a Lund Tune Coyote, which, by the way, I don't know if I said it when I mentioned it, but I have 331 gears. The Lund Coyote had 373 gears, so that's what kinda cost me my gearing. But anyways, so if I'd have done my research, I honestly probably would have went with Lund the first time when I got my first tune, but I didn't really know too much about them. I just didn't. Your boy didn't do his research. So I've now looked and I've had time to reflect on it. So after reading their website and seeing all the stars and the reviews they have, more than likely I'm going to end up going to a Lund Tune, simply because I feel like I'm hurting myself with the Bama Tune. Now, the Lund Tunes do not have free tunes for life. Wish they did, but they don't. I'm not complaining. For the first 6 months you get free tunes, and then after that I think it's $50 or $40 maybe for a tune, which for me, I probably should have done that, but once again, your boy did do his research, so I didn't really know. Probably look for me to be, because I'm going to start looking around, making sure this is what I want to do, because Bama has really been messing up, and I've been watching a lot of It's Just the Sixes video when he first got his car, before the car call out and before he blew it up, and the email tune he got for his Rouse Supercharged GT. I have no word for how great his car is and how great it did. So, I mean, how awesome his car is performing, and with the Rouse Supercharger mixed with the Lund Tune, it's amazing. So, more than likely I'm going to change over to a Lund Tune. I am going to get rid of Bama. I have nothing against Bama at all. Bama has been great the year and a half I've used them. They have been great. I have nothing against Bama. But for what I want to do and what I need, Bama is just not going to cut it. And go ahead, and I know I'm going to get the comments, well, maybe if you added more power, maybe you did this, blah, blah, blah. I can add a lot of power mods, and it's not going to change the fact that Bama is a conservative tune compared to a Lund Tune. It's very, very conservative, and I feel like that's what's hurting me. So that's why I'm probably just going to go ahead and change. So Lund's probably who I'm going to end up going with. I know there's Brent Speed and there's AED, but Lund's who I want, and until I'm able to get a custom dyno tune, I'm just gonna stick with.
What?
Yo, I need to work on my English. I'm just gonna stick with Lund for a while, and once I start needing to go get a dyno tune, I'm gonna go do it. But for right now, that email tune is perfect for me. By the way, Miller Lite, I don't know if y'all do sponsors, but you need to sponsor your boy. I mean, I'm just saying.
Ha! Gay!
Miller Lite, I drink a lot of your beer, so I'm just saying, Miller Lite, you know, throw your boy out of sponsorship. You ain't got to, but it helps.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
It does help. I know this is a short video, but I don't really have much experience with Lund, so I'm just going off of feedback from what I've seen on YouTube and Facebook and all of that. So I don't really have much experience with them. So sorry for the short video. I'll catch y'all next time. Make sure to come back. I'm always doing crazy, wild, dumb shit on this channel, so make sure to come back. Bye. One more thing before I forget. I'm going to be doing a special video when my car hits 100,000 miles. My car is already at like 99,000, so my car is getting old. I've put a lot of miles on it in the year, going on 2 years I've had it. I have pretty much driven the piss out of my car as long as I've had it. So my car has been through a lot, and I'm gonna make a special video simply because it's old. It's in 100,000 miles. I'm not gonna really spoil it, but pretty much as many miles I put on it, as much beating I've done to it, as much racing I've done to it. Night Riders never let me down. Ever. Except for the water pump. The water pump let me down. But now I'm out. Make sure to come back. That video is going to be sweet. Got some ideas for that, so that video is going to be sweet. Like I said, I'm going to catch y'all next time. Now I'm really out. Bye.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.